Hi, my name's Caroline Barnes. I'm a makeup artist and this is my base masterclass. Welcome to my base masterclass. This is pretty much what I do on myself and all my clients. It's really easy. It makes the best out of your skin and its texture and therefore makes your foundation look really fresh, natural and last as long as possible. Right, first is skin prep. Now, whereas good skincare and makeup come together, so do exfoliation and hydration, and it's key. There's no point spending a fortune on expensive moisturisers if you're not exfoliating your skin. So because I'm on the go with a case of equipment, I like these masks. It's a Murad Hydroglow Aqua Peel. This is a delicious face mask that is literally enveloped in hyaluronic. Hyaluronic is a wonderful ingredient that literally attracts all the moisture from around you and it seeps into your skin. So when the time's up, just take off your mask really gently, but don't waste any of the product that's on your skin. Just basically use it on the back of your hands, on your arms, legs if you've got a short skirt, and just let it absorb really well into your skin. So the second stage is a facial massage. Now I really believe in facial massage, but I guarantee if you do this massage, once you've finished it, you will definitely feel better afterwards, so try it and see. I love to use facial oils, and for this particular massage I'm going to be using willow berry. This is a very beautiful, natural, 100% natural oil that looks beautiful under makeup. And I'm sure I have a really wonderful erythema on my skin now, which will naturally calm down, but my skin feels invigorated and much more alive. So before you apply your foundation, just remove the residue of oil on your complexion. Now, if you've got drier skin, you might not want to do that, but if your skin is very oily, you might want to remove it just in between your eyebrows, either side of the nose, and just under the chin. You'll find that your skin will really absorb this oil and it will really help the connectivity and natural looking effect of your foundation. There are many ways of applying foundation. With your magic hands, which are warm and really supple, enabling the foundation to connect well with your skin, or a real variety of foundation brushes. Flat, tight, compact foundation brushes like these guys give full coverage. They apply the foundation, you've got little wastage and you get the product where you want it. If you use a slightly fluffier brush like this, which is a mix of synthetic and natural fibres, you'll get a much more delicate approach. You can always apply it with a real dense foundation brush like this to start with, and then polish off your complexion with something softer. The options are endless, it's completely up to you and your personal preference. So for this masterclass, I'm going to use the new Radiant Lift from Max Factor. This is a long wear Radiant Lift foundation. This foundation also contains hyaluronic, one of the ingredients that was also in my mask. Now, I'm going to start in the T-zone area because this is where I need most coverage. Around my forehead and the outer parts of my face aren't so red, and in the areas of pigmentation, just around my brow, I will add another layer and then I will just blend it through onto my forehead and to the sides of my face where I don't really need so much coverage, but I just want a kind of a lighter veil of foundation. So I'm just taking the foundation onto my neck as well because I've got really uneven skin tone. I'm very yellow on my body, pale on my neck and red on my face. So I just need to migrate the foundation just slightly underneath my chin so the whole tone of my foundation looks more uniform and therefore looks more natural. Okay, I tend to be super fussy about the way my foundation looks, so a really good tip to make sure your foundation is really connected is to use the heat from your hands, rub them together and press over your complexion, and just the warmth of your hands really breaks down the foundation, making it look natural. And you can also do this if you've overdone the powder or maybe your skin's a little bit too dry. It just kind of really connects the makeup and skin together beautifully. Now I'm going to be using a very light concealer, but I'm going to push these two colours together because I applied the foundation all over my face, but I want to lighten the darker areas of my face. If you want to conceal, like little blemishes, obviously you use the same colour, but if you want to lighten between your eyes, go lighter. Again, the warmth of your fingers really quickly and easily helps the product to migrate into the base. Then last but not least, I'm going to be setting my look with powder, and this is Max Factor's Creme Puff. So I'm using a brush to mattify the areas of shine right in between the brows here, either side of the nose, don't go too close to the eyes, and underneath your bottom lip. Now, if you mattify these areas of your face, the rest of your complexion still glows, and that makes your skin look much more natural and less made up. So that's my masterclass. That's how I like skin to look. I hope you've learned a few things, and I hope it's been helpful.